Planning a website build in a project management tool doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, with the right steps, it can be an efficient and organized process that keeps you on track from start to finish. I'll show you exactly how to plan your website build in a project management tool step by step and make sure you get the most out of the software you're using. First, start by defining your website scope. What exactly do you need? Will it be a landing page, a full e-commerce site, or something else? Write down the features and pages you'll need, like the home page, about us, product pages, and contact forms. This will give you a clear vision of what the project will entail. Next, break the website build down into phases. You'll likely have a planning phase, a design phase, development, testing, and launch. This makes it easier to track progress and make sure nothing is missed. Inside your project management tool, create a task list for each phase. Don't forget to include milestones, so you can celebrate the progress along the way and make adjustments as needed. Now, assign tasks to the team members responsible for each part of the website build. This could include designers, developers, content creators, and SEO specialists. Be specific about what needs to be done. For example, create wireframe for homepage or write product descriptions for e-commerce site. This will help avoid any confusion and ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. Once the tasks are set deadlines for each. Be realistic, but also challenge your team to stay on schedule. You can do this by setting up a timeline in the software you're using so everyone can visually see what's due and when. A timeline helps you spot any bottlenecks early on and keeps the project moving forward. One of the best features of a project management tool is the ability to track progress. As your team works through the tasks, you can check off completed items. This helps keep the project moving and ensures you're meeting your deadlines. You can also communicate directly within the tool, which saves time and keeps all conversations related to the project in one place. Don't forget testing and review before launching. In your project management tool, set tasks for quality assurance to ensure the website works across different devices and browsers. You'll also want to schedule a review period where team members can provide feedback, so you can make improvements before launch day. As you approach the end of the build, be sure to plan for the launch. Set tasks for making the website live, as well as post-launch actions like monitoring website performance and gathering user feedback. Key takeaway: the key to successfully planning a website build in a project management tool is staying organized. Define your website scope, break it down into phases, assign clear tasks with deadlines, and track progress along the way. Before you go, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we use today. You can find the link to the free trial in the description below. It's a great way to try out the tool and make your website build more efficient. To recap, start with defining your website scope, break the project down into phases, assign tasks with deadlines, track progress, and don't forget testing and review before launch. That's how you plan a website build in a project management tool. Thanks for watching.